Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. It's DIY time again, and today we're going to be making a folding surprise card inspired by mom. Nice and simple, right? To give to mom or to whoever you want to give flowers to, but wait until you see what's inside. So let's get started. To create this card, I'm using a regular 8.5 by 11 piece of copy paper. So once you have your paper, let's go ahead and fold it in half. So just make sure your corners are together and then just press down right in the center. From there, I'm going to take this flap right here and just fold it back to the center. And that's it. So we're just going to create the pot right here, the flower right here, and when you open it, the surprise is inside. So now that your paper is folded, you're going to have a crease right here and right here in the center. So what you want to do is go ahead and fold it back up, and then we're going to start to draw on the front. So get a piece of paper underneath this flap right here just to protect your bottoms in case if you're using a Sharpie or a marker so that you don't bleed through and affect the inside. So I'm just going to have a piece of paper right here and I'm going to start to draw. So let's start by drawing our pot first. And I'm going to come right in the center and create this pot. So come right here and just make sure you don't pass this line. And we're going to create an angle line about right here to start the top of our pot. And about, say, right here. I'm going to create another angle line. So they're pretty much the same length, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it right across. So then from there, I'm going to come down again with another angle line, kind of following that to create my pot, go all the way down. And then the bottom right here, I'm just going to round it off and connect it. There, so I have a very simplified little pot right here. And so what you want to do is open it back up. And then create that straight line, so right on that crease. So I'm going to open it back up, following that crease I've created. I'm going to create a line right on the crease. Okay, so then now I can go ahead and fold it back up. And now I'm going to create the flower on top. So I'm just going to put another piece of paper, put my paper underneath so I don't bleed through to my back paper right here. And let's create our flower right in the center. So I'm going to come about in this area right here. So you see our flap is about right here. I'm going to create the flower in the center and create a circle. Very simplified flower. Just a circle. And I'm going to draw, let's see, 6 petals all the way around. So I hope this card here inspires you, and you can draw whatever kind of flowers you love or that your mom loves. Okay, so a very simple flower. Come in here in the center of each petal, and we're just going to draw a curve. And then let's draw a little stem right here. So I'm going to curve it a little bit so it's not so stiff. Curve it right down to our pot. And then right here, we're going to create a leaf. I'm just going to add a center line. There. So, and then, so we're pretty much done with the main part of our pot. This line a little bit straighter. Okay, so then now let's, if you want to make it extra cute, let's add some eyes right here on the pot. So once again, almost forgot, I need to put a piece of paper right underneath so I don't go past. And then let's see here, I'm going to create 2 circles right here. And another one about right here. And I'll make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so then let's draw a sweet little smile right in the center and cap it off, and at the top add a little curve for the top of each eye. And then I'll add some, maybe I'll add some cheeks right here when I color in. And to decorate the pot, we can add some hearts at the top right here. So let me start in the center, so you know I'm pretty even. So let's see, let's just draw 3 then. And another one. There. So that is pretty much it for the front of our drawing. Now let's go ahead and open it up and create the inside. Okay, so now that we have our main flower and our pot in, we're going to open it up and we're going to start to create the inside. Just remember to put a piece of paper underneath your paper so you don't bleed through. And then what you want to do is, if you want to follow exactly what I'm doing, I'm just going to create maybe 4 clusters of flowers just to keep it simple. And so I'm going to draw the flowers first and then just add in the stems wherever I can see some space and add some leaves and things like that. But the one thing you want to watch out for is that you don't create any flowers above this line. So basically this right here where you stopped, do not create any flowers above there so that you can still keep this part as a surprise. If it helps, you can fold this flap as well, so you have another crease right there if you like. But I'm going to go ahead and draw these flowers, and I'm going to create the flowers first like I said, and I'm going to add a little card that says I love you, Mom. So hopefully this will inspire you, and I'm just going to go ahead and do it. So they're all done. That is pretty much it. I hope I didn't make it too complicated. I was trying to stop myself from going crazy. But basically you just want to create these, well, 4 clusters of flowers, I guess. So I'm just making 4 different kinds, and it's just easier if you just draw in the flowers first, and then wherever you have space, just add in the stems and then the leaves. And if there's any empty spaces you want to fill in, you can just fill it in with these little flowers, however you like. This is just to inspire you, and I really hope it does. And I put in that little sign right here to say, I love you, Mom. But of course, you could write anything you wanted right there. Okay, so now we're basically done with the drawing, and see, as I fold this up, nothing shows up, right? So that's our goal. You just want to make sure of that. And after that's done, just going to come in here and color it up and bring it to life. So they're finally all done. I hope I didn't overcomplicate it and this really inspires you to draw it too. So let's fold it back up. And ta-da! Mom will sure be surprised, right? So when you give this to her, just tell her, open it up and go, "It's all for you, Mom." Thank you. And we love you, Mom, for being so awesome and taking care of us and helping us grow, right? So thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you love this folding surprise card and you will give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.